Massive failure to delivers increase. We got Citadel trying to get their case dismissed. We got the price movement fitting within this channel. I mean, we got some things to talk about in this video, but we're going to try and throw them at you pretty quickly here. I want to go ahead and start off by saying a special shout out. Thank you to our Patreon supporters. I really do appreciate it, everybody. If you'd like to join up on that for as little as $1 a month, you can be up on that board as well. There's a link in the description. Also, please keep in mind that I'm not a financial advisor. Everything I'm sharing is my own opinion. It's my own research, and I highly encourage you to do your own research as well. Let's go ahead and start by taking a look at the price action movement. So over the course of the day, AMC down just slightly, 1.81%. Volume absolutely pathetic at 28.45 million shares. I mean, there's just hardly any transactional volume that's occurring. And lo and behold, what happened? That selling pressure caused it to fill further down, following basically right on that line with that top level resistance, this giant bull flag that we see on the daily. So it's like they're trying to kick the can down the road as long as they possibly can. But as you guys can see, this is getting wound up and it's ready to release the Kraken. Okay. Now taking a look at some other key things. The AMC failures to delivers jumps 2,700%. A lot of people are actually talking about this. Let's go ahead and hop right on over to that, and I'll get into some of the other metrics here for you. So AMC fails to deliver, jumped 2,700%. Failure to delivers in the last data from the SEC. After falling to a low level at the end of September, fails to deliver exploded in October. As of October 14th, the last day in the last data set, they stood at nearly 80,000. This amount of fails to delivers is 789 times Amazon. I mean, just think about that. The biggest, you got you got Amazon. And the amount of people, the amount of money that's inside of something like that. And you compare it with AMC, a movie theater stock. And there's 789 times, not 789 more, 789 times Amazon's, 849 times Microsoft's. It's significantly larger even than Apple's. Why would the largest stock in the market have far fewer shares failing to deliver than AMC with a market cap of just 20 billion? First, let's recap what a fail to deliver is. A share in a company fails to deliver when a trade is made but never completed. The shares are never actually delivered to the buyer. This can happen for benign reasons, but AMC has persistent, huge fails to deliver. When this happens, it's often a sign of illegal, naked short selling. Illegal. Keyword. This involves selling short shares you never borrowed. The shares can't be delivered because they never existed in the first place. Meanwhile, the seller has a powerful tool to push the price down. If you don't even have to bother borrowing shares, you can keep selling forever. What you tend to see in AMC stock is the market makers whittling down the fails to deliver for a little while, only to see them quickly pop back up to enormous levels. Following the stock for some time now, I've seen this pattern over and over. We've noticed, but when will the SEC? Right? Really good article, highlights this. Absolutely crazy, guys. Let's look at some of the other metrics here. Dark pool data, negative 49 million shares. You got negative $1.8 billion. $1.8 billion. I'm repeating some of these things because just trying to stress how absolutely bizarre this stuff is. 1.5 million shares available to borrow. You got 42,000 AMC shares available to borrow. 0.6 for the fee, so it's quite low. Out of the money, currently 160,894 call options. Quite a few. But we've been seeing that every week. As far as the dark pool data, guess what? Once again, not tracking it. This is how many days in a row now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 trading days. 5 days in a week for trading days. So you're looking at 3 weeks of data, 2 weeks fully completed on the third week, where it's just not showing anything there. And then lastly, I want to go ahead and update you in regards to the Citadel case. So this is through the same website, tremendous.blog. They're doing a really good job, it looks like, keeping people up to date. So if you guys want to check them out, tremendous.blog. Citadel demands dismissal of lawsuit citing SEC report. Citadel Securities LLC has demanded the dismissal of a pending lawsuit in federal court in South Florida. The grounds: the recent SEC report on January's meme stock rally did not find collusion between its hedge fund armed Citadel LC and Robinhood Markets Incorporated. The lawsuit alleges that Citadel pressured Robinhood to stop buy orders in meme stocks like GameStop Corporation and AMC Entertainment Holdings Incorporated. Citadel had a substantial investment in Melvin Capital Management LP, which was losing billions shorting meme stocks. Citadel's demand for dismissal is absurd because the SEC report barely mentions the allegations in the Florida lawsuit. They are glossed over in a single paragraph, relying solely on testimony from the people involved. The SEC has decided to take Vlad Tenev, the CEO of Robinhood, Gabriel Plotkin, CIO of Melvin, and Ken Griffin, CEO of Citadel, at their word. But any or all of those statements may be false. What's more, this lawsuit alleges that top executives of Robinhood and Citadel were in contact right before trades were limited. We've talked about this previously on this channel. That contact should be explored in detail. The court needs to review emails, internal chat messages, and phone records. To take a whitewash of an SEC report and then use it to dismiss a lawsuit is ridiculous. Let's hope the court sees through it. Amen. Very well, very, very well put. Okay, that's going to go ahead and be it for this video. As it looks right now, AMC has an opportunity to continue to drop on down. This gets pinched right here around November 26th, around $36.76. Okay, let us know what you think about all this in the comments down below. I do have referral links if you want to get free cryptocurrency or free stock. It is free money for you guys. Go ahead and check that out. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. Also, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe. Hit the thumbs up like button. It does help us out with the YouTube search algorithm. Click the bell icon so you know whenever we go live. And I will see you in the next episode.